Hey everyone, it's Owen here from OTech, and today I'll be showing you guys the Noctua NHL9i CPU cooler. So this isn't a very recent CPU cooler or anything like that. This is actually quite an old model. Noctua's had this for quite a few years now. But I decided to buy this because I wanted something as a replacement while my Corsair H100i on my test bench is being RMA'd. Yes, that thing had its pump die or something. Well, not completely die, but I guess something's blocking the pump, or the pump is slightly broken because I'm getting super high CPU temps if I'm doing overclocked settings on my 4790K and then also stress testing it. But it works fine otherwise for, desktop normal use. So I guess it's just something blocking the pump, so yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna RMA that cooler, and for now, so that I have some kind of a cooler on my 4790K, I bought this Noctua NHL9i for about 35 bucks on Amazon. Well, close to 40-ish with tax and stuff. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to actually use this because I'll just wait for Corsair's response and see if they say that they'll have like how long are they gonna return my replacement cooler. If it takes a while, then I might just keep this. If it's only a few days, then I would just return this back to Amazon, to be honest, because there's no seal and you can't really break a cooler, I guess. So let's take a look at the box. It's a typical Noctua brown box with white accents affair. So you got the inside contents and also the spec sheet on here, and also their SecuFirm mounting system is also advertised here. And also their 6-year warranty, obviously. On the back there's a bunch of languages about the specifications and features of the cooler itself. And also you get a drawing diagram of how tall and how big the cooler is. So this is quite a small cooler. It's only 37mm in height. So this will be great for HTPC or basically any small form factor builds. So yeah, let's take a look. This is the usual Noctua paper that you get when you buy a Noctua product. Kind of nice that they have this on the front page, and also this real looking signature, but obviously that's printed. But yeah, they actually do put some research into their fans and heatsinks and all their products. And here's the user manual itself. It's quite detailed and pretty simple to follow. I would doubt that anyone wouldn't be able to follow, because it's pretty easy, especially with their SecuFirm mounting system. So here's the cooler itself, and here's the accessories, at least partly. There's the ultra low noise adapter. So here, if you want to slow down your fans without using a motherboard connection, I don't like doing that. I just connect it to my motherboard. So here's the mounting screws, also a nice metal Noctua badge, and a Noctua thermal compound. Which is nice to see that they include a whole thermal tube instead of like a crappy plastic rip-off toothpaste bullshit that comes with most coolers that are cheap. But yeah, this is only a $30 cooler, $35 to be exact, and yet you get all the Noctua accessories that you would expect from their higher-end coolers. And obviously you get all the Noctua goodies like the quality and stuff too. So as you can see, here it is. It's quite small. The heatsink is super thin, as you can see, but it feels super solid, and it's actually quite a lot heavier than I thought it would be. And the bottom is obviously shiny, although you can see that it's kind of like there's like a middle point, I guess. So yeah, I guess that's just how they machine the base. But yeah, it's super solid and it's super heavy, just like how all Noctua products are. Solid build quality. And super shiny nickel plating on all the fins and everything. And here's the fan itself. It's an NFA9 X15 fan. It's 2500 RPM, but it's a thin 92mm fan, so you wouldn't hear too much of it. It's pretty much just gonna be air noise. It's pretty quiet. I have 2 of these in my system already, so yeah, I know how these work. And yeah, I'm just kind of curious how this will cool my 4790K, which has been overclocked to 4.8 GHz at about 1.39 volts. Although that is delidded, so that should help a little bit. But let's see what other accessories do they give you. Oh well, there's really not much. I thought there was more inside the box, but yeah, turns out to just get these, I guess, replacement fan screws, I would expect. I guess so. Yeah, these should be replacement fan screws, because what you do to install is that you just use this and use these screws to screw from behind the motherboard onto the heatsink. There's no backplate since it's a tiny cooler. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. It's quite a short unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys this new cooler. I'll definitely be testing it, and I'll be showing you guys the results of what I get, because I'm curious if I can even overclock on this tiny cooler. So let's see how far I can get on this heatsink. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, please leave a like, and please click subscribe to see more of my future videos. Thanks for watching.